Alright, so I put no conditioner on this side and I just did 2 coats of walnut stain, and on this side I did the pre-stain conditioner and then I put 2 coats of walnut stain. So now I'm gonna go ahead and engrave an image here, and we'll just see how the bleeding looks and how the finish looks. So let's do it. So I see bleeding on this side with the no pre-stain conditioner, but I also see bleeding on this side, so that's not really that good. Now I do see more on this side as well, not as much on this side. So maybe if I would have done 2 coats maybe of the pre-stain conditioner, I don't know. What do you guys think? So no pre-stain conditioner, pre-stain conditioner. It's better, but it's not good. So I'm gonna say we'll have to do another test with 2 coats maybe of pre-stain conditioner and then 2 coats of stain, and to see if it's still bleeding through. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's helpful for you guys.